this pilgrimage to Vietnam give me a very strong experience that their endurance. No matter what happened, they stick together and somehow they go through the whole journey. And that teaches me whatever happened, we need to learn to cultivate the strength of endurance from God, and we need to turn back to God to obtain graces, okay, to go through and to accept as what Mother Mary experienced. Let your will be done, and to face it and not to run away. Yeah, that's my experience of the Vietnam pilgrimage.
Thank you, Madeng. Sekarang menunjukkan hampir tengah hari. Selamat pagi untuk semua. Ya, jadi ini adalah ziarah bagi para padri. Saya amat bersyukur dan berterima kasih kepada penganjur sebab peluang untuk menyertai ziarah ini yang bermula daripada katedral sehingga ke Tenom, dan ini merupakan satu pengalaman yang bagus, terutama sekali yang telah diberikan khususnya dalam perjalanan ziarah ini sangat bermakna sebab mengimbau sejarah misioneri yang datang di Sabah, khususnya di kota Kinabalu dan juga Keningau. Jadi bagi saya secara pribadi satu pengalaman yang bagus, satu kesyukuran. Saya bilang sebentar tadi sebab Tuhan sudah mengingatkan kesadaran apa yang telah dilakukan oleh para misioneri yang datang untuk memberikan sesuatu ataupun mengongsikan iman mereka, dan bagaimana juga saya percaya iman ini telah pun berkembang hasil daripada usaha para misioneri. Jadi sekali lagi saya amat bersyukur atas peluang ini memberikan impak kepada saya sendiri untuk bukan saya mengenang tetapi untuk meneruskan apa yang akan dilakukan selepas ini, terutama sekali daripada semangat para misioneri yang telah datang di Sabah. Thank you.
The pilgrimage is very good, very fruitful, because we learn a lot about the things that Monsignor Walter went through, his suffering and his martyrdom. And I think in my mind, Monsignor Walter is a saint because he persevered in his faith, and this encourage me especially, to persevere in what I'm doing. That is my ministry. Thank you very much.
Thank you for the grace and blessing from God that we had these experiences of going on this pilgrimage and the 8th anniversary of our Mill Martyrs Priest. I'm very glad to be in this group of our priests because especially Tenom, because I was once in Tenom for 3 years and many years didn't come back to Tenom, and now I come back to this very, very special kind of pilgrimage, remembering our Mill priests that were once alive, now dead, all in Tenom, and going by the early experiences, I did not know really about these 9 Mill priests who were killed in Tenom. But this time my experiences were very different because of the help of the Cosmas. We could really not only saw places but experience personally how these our Mill priests give their life, the ultimate sacrifice because of us. Now, because of them, we are here. We are now very fortunate to be part of this life of Mill priests, and now that will strengthen our vocation, our Christian life.
Shalom, hai, kami baru balik daripada priest pilgrimage dari bermula daripada Sacred Heart sehinggalah ke Tenom, dan hari ini kami balik dari Tenom melalui jalan Tambunan, dan pengalaman saya rasa sangat pertama sekali refreshing bagi saya lah, ini membantu dalam pengembangan iman dan juga memperdalamkan juga pengalaman di dalam pelayanan, terutama sekali membantu para padri untuk lari daripada kesibukan dan juga merenung panggilan lebih ke arah komuniti lah. Ya, ini nampak di sini ramai father-father duduk satu meja bercerita tentang pelayanan, bercerita tentang pengalaman dan sebagainya, suatu yang memuaskan hati bagi saya.
Synodality. Thank you.
Synodality.
Hari ini para padri sangat bersyukur sebab telah mendapatkan ini ziarah pengharapan sempena tahun Jubili, dan kami ikut itu langkah Monsinyur Wokta. Kami diketahui oleh Father Cosmas. Jadi apa yang kami belajar ini, pengorbanan mereka sentiasa memberikan harapan dan inspirasi lah kepada kita semua, terutama para padri ini untuk terus melayani. So terima kasih atas peluang berziarah ini. Semoga kita semua hidup dalam harapan, jangan putus asa sebab harapan tidak pernah mengecewakan.
Tengah hari sudah jadi kami baru habiskan tiap pilgrimage, ziarah ke seluruh Sabah lah para padri, jadi sesuatu yang amat membuka mata, ya, terutama dia para padri macam mana misioneri bergerak, ya, memajukan itu negeri kita sendiri. Jadi mungkin satu hari nanti pilgrimage-nya ataupun itu ziarah diteruskan untuk masa-masa yang akan datang, bukan saja untuk padri tapi untuk umat juga mengenal macam mana nih sejarah gereja kita berkembang. Okay.
I'm Father Wilfred. I'm from Ranau, but I'm the parish priest of Penampang. We are now at Gunung Alam. We have completed, more or less, most are complete. We are completing, put it that way, our spiritual journey, pilgrimage, clergy pilgrimage, which started in St. Michael yesterday and went to Babar, Limbahau, then Kiduta, then after that to Jedub. To me personally, it's very much a enriching experience because we have this, history to guide us, how the missionaries kept their life for us here, for the work that they have been entrusted. And even though they are not recorded officially as martyrs, but to us, they are martyrs. They are martyrs for Sabahan. They have given up their life because of faith. And when I connect it to what we have today, especially in our journey as a priest, I personally believe that it will be a source of encouragement for many of us. I personally feel so that to be a priest is nothing else but to give our life for others, not for ourselves but for others. So I'm grateful for this journey and I'm thankful to the Grand Financial Committee. Thank you.
Sejahtera, pada masa ini kami berada di Gunung Alam. Kami baru saja mengakhiri kami punya pilgrimage para padri di Keuskupan Kota Kinabalu. Saya sungguh bersyukur, amat bersyukur karena dapat diberikan kesempatan ini untuk mengucapkan sedikit sebanyak tentang apa yang saya rasa. Ya, Tuhan berserta kita, harapan tidak mengecewakan.
Especially in Tanam, went to the site, the place where
The actual place there.
where they put up, they put up for for around a month there, and where Paul Michael died, and he was the only one, the only one where was buried near the house, so that, and his was the only one available. The rest were taken away and somewhere nobody knows, was killed and buried and nobody know where, But these are at least with this one, I think God still gives a sign, that at least ada satu still remain semua kan, as a clear sign, a clear proof, the martyrdom that really took place, so to say,
That is our hope, kan? At least some hope,
there is a hope,
some
so
light.
we try to take this as a way to, as a great encouragement, and a hope for all of us lah, semua tu buat ni to try to because next time when you have chance, we'll still go there and look at that place and remember all this semua. It's good to remember and recall and that all this is all the grace of God.
Halo, shalom. Terima kasih puji Tuhan karena pengalaman para padri untuk melakukan ziarah bukan saja umat, tapi para padri pun ada inisiatif untuk melakukan ziarah, menjejaki jejak para misionaris, senior wasia dan sahabat-sahabat teman-temannya. Pengalaman ini sangat-sangat dihargai karena campur tangan Tuhan menjejaki bagaimana mereka sanggup memberikan nyawa mereka demi umatnya karena cinta kasih kepada Tuhan. Jadi sekian, semoga pengalaman ini terus memberi semangat dalam pelayanan.
Thank you, terima kasih Mas. How's your experience?
Sekurang-kurangnya I experience how the missionaries, young land missionaries plan the journey to Vietnam.
Also the faith.
Sebagai ungkapan syukur kepada mereka, kita sama-sama berjalan dengan mereka. Dan yang kedua, memberi pengalaman berpengalaman, kekuatan. Dan yang ketiga, dapat bersama-sama dengan all the priests, very good experience, very nice experience.
Synodality.
That is what we call synodality. And yang terakhir sekali, it's good that Father Cosmas keep on giving the explanation, so we can really know what is it all about.
We know the truth.
Huh?
We know the truth.
Yeah, we know the truth, and we experience somehow the experience of the experience. Begitulah kira-kira.
Shalom, brothers and sisters. We are on the way back to KK. In this pilgrims of praise the Archdiocese of Kota Kinabalu, we are really blessed to have Cosmas Lee, the one who wrote the Ultimate Sacrifice, looking at the life of Monsignor August Wachter. We had gone to a few places of significance. First and foremost, St. Michael Pinampang, recalling the day the missionaries were captured on the 19th April 1945, about 10 in the evening. Then they were forced to move to Papa. First at I think St. Joseph, then Holy Rosary Limbahau, then to Kinuta. All this brought about a greater understanding and appreciation of the sacrifices of our missionaries in the past. Then we continue our journey to Tenam. We actually for the first time got to that spot where we believed to have the last stop of Monsignor August Wachter with the other missionaries. From there, they will vanish. Most probably, they were killed by the Japanese army. All this eventually bring about greater realization the need for sacrificial love. And being with priests of the Archdiocese, I'm really encouraged to look first and foremost at the life of Monsignor August Wachter ever closer and count the blessing, especially the kind of people we have, humble yet eager and willing to continue spread the good news that actually are being brought forward since the time of Monsignor Don Carlos Cortaran, first landed in Labuan in 14 April 1857, 160 years ago. Now, this is great jubilee of hope. Hopefully, these pilgrimages bring about greater love for the local church. God bless you.
God bless you. Selamat berziarah. Kami baru habis ziarah mau balik Kota Kinabalu. Pengalaman selama 1 hari, 2 hari ini. Yang pertama sekali di Ultimate Sacrifice Missionary memulakan penginjilan kabar baik di Sabah. Kami telah lalui selama kemarin hari ini pengalaman yang sangat menarik bagaimana The Missionary memulakan penginjilan dan kita teruskan. Dan ini adalah suatu misteri sebab kuasa Tuhan yang besar, sebab melalui pengorbanan missionary ini kepercayaan kekuatan gereja di Sabah semakin mantap. Oke, Bonsigo.